bought this boat brand new, only with the money that I made buying and reselling on eBay. What is up, guys? It's your boy Phil, the king of thrift, bringing you this video on a Tuesday. Guys, look, it is a Tuesday, and look where we are headed. I just got it cleaned up. She's been in storage most of the summer. See, I got my old school throwback gear on. Reselling on eBay. I'll take the day off on a Tuesday. We're gonna kick it like this. We're gonna do some tubing, we're gonna do a little bit of swimming, maybe a little fishing, chaparral. But you guys enjoy the work day, but all you resellers, you feel me, you know what's going on.